All right, so you found a font that you really like and you want to use in your own website. You've kind of put this in your mood board. So I found this fun little website where I can show you, well, how do you figure out what font it is? And this is a fun font right here, except for when I grab it, notice it kind of moves with me. It tells me that this is an image, and I can prove that by going to inspect, right? And I see right here, there's an image. So let's not worry about that one. Let's worry about, let's say this one. Look, when I put my cursor over it, I'm able to select it like text. So that's actually a font. So how can I find out which font that is? I mean, this is a font too, but this is a font that would be easier to find out in code. So I'm gonna go inspect it, right? And I'll go to my computed styles and I'll simply look at font family, and I can see it's called Arachne Regular. And then I'd have to go looking for that font. Now, there's something even better, that if you have Chrome, download the WhatsFont plugin or extension as they call them. And once you have that, when I go to this, watch, when I mouse over something, it'll tell me what it is. I click on it and it will even give me, like, you know, the weight, what font size are they using it in, what's their line height, what color they're using it in. So you see, that can be really helpful for trying to figure out what that font is, and even how they're using the sizes and how you could use the sizes like that. Now this one's a separate beast here, and if I wanted to figure out what this font is, chances are they're probably using it because it's not a web-ready font, and if a font isn't web-ready, you probably can't serve it. They're turning it into an image for a reason. So, but if you really want to know what that font is, what I would do is take a little screenshot of that font, trying just to get that. And there's a great website called WhatsThatFont. And so if we go on that font, and I'm going to put our screenshot right in here, and it's going to go ahead and look for it. Now, I wouldn't say that this is 100% bulletproof. A lot of times it gets a close enough font. A lot of times it doesn't get the exact font. But let's give it a go here. And it's looking, trying to figure it out. And here we go. Now we see, if I was looking at this, I'd say this is probably, looking at that V, I guess maybe it probably is this Hipton Sans inline, right? And it'll even tell you where to buy it if you wanted to use it. But that's how you can go ahead and get inspiration for your fonts. You know, see how the text size, people are using line height and text size or font size, and typefaces.